Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read about inside a cell. The body is made of trillions of cells, each too small to see without a microscope. These cells aren't all the same. All the cells are different in their size, shape and contents and features also. There are about 200 different types of cells, each with its own size, shape, and contents. Each type of cell has its own task. Like the body has organs such as the lungs, heart, the cell has organelles such as the mitochondria, microtubules. These parts work together to make the cell a living unit. In addition, tiny rods, including microtubules, move organelles and form a kind of skeleton that supports and shapes the cell. Let's see the structure of cell. No cell is exactly like the one shown here. The cell in the human body is very different from the cell shown here, but this example shows the features that are found in many body cells. Each busy living cell consists of an outer membrane known as the cell membrane, cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like fluid, and different types of organelles. Most cells have a control center called the nucleus. The nucleus is the main part of the cell. The longest cells in the body are the neurons that stretch almost 1 meter from the spinal cord to the feet. Cell membrane. This flexible membrane surrounds the cell and controls what enters and exits. It is the boundary of the cell. It consists of a double layer of lipid fat molecules containing proteins that have different jobs to do. Cell membrane contains lipid layer. A double layer of lipid molecules forms the main part of the membrane, protein. This protein channel transports substances into and out of the cell. Glycoprotein. This tag identifies the cell to other cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is the cell's control center which contains genetic material called DNA. DNA is present in the nucleus. The nucleus is the main part of the cell. Whatever happens in the cell is controlled by the nucleus. Nucleus contains many nucleolus. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like fluid in which organelles float. The cytoplasm contains proteins and other substances. Cytoplasm is all over the cell. All the organelles float in the cytoplasm. Let's start with the organelles of the cell. First, we will see the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a sausage-shaped organelle are the cell's power station. Mitochondria are the cell's power station. They release the energy from glucose and other foods that cells use to drive their many activities. This is the mitochondria. In the mitochondria, there is ATP synthase. This is where the energy carrier is made. It is the inner part of the mitochondria. It is the inner membrane. A folded membrane provides a large surface for making ATP. Now, endoplasmic reticulum or ER, this network of tubes and flattened bags makes and transports proteins and other substances. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached to it, and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, no ribosomes are attached to it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is RER, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER. Ribosomes. This tiny structure makes the many proteins that build and run the cell. This ribosome transports the proteins. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus processes and packages proteins made on ribosomes ready for use inside or outside the cell. This is the Golgi apparatus. Lysosome. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. These membrane bag contains enzymes that break down unwanted substances and recycle worn out organelles. Last but not least, 37 trillion, the approximate number of cells in the human body. 1 million years, the time it will take to count all the body cells at a rate of 1 per second. Red blood cells make up about 70% of the total number of cells in the body. And red blood cells do not have nucleus. The longest cells in the body are the neurons that stretch almost 1 meter from the spinal cord to the feet. We are done with the topic inside a cell. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.